In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to play Xenoverse 2 with friends local. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to do offline or local multiplayer battles in Dragon Ball Xenoverse 2. It is extremely simple to do, and this is a feature that you will be able to access when you go over to the battle information or the time machine station. So, to do this, go over to the time machine station, and eventually, you will be able to reach the battle information. In there, you will find plenty of NPCs, and you need to talk to the ones in the counter. As you can see, these little bots, titled Offline Battles, will allow you to do local battles in Xenoverse 2. So now, go ahead and connect an additional controller to your platform. So, you will be able to do a wired or wireless connection if you want to share the same screen, and you will be able to choose between the options on the offline battle bot. So choose between free battle or local battle. Make sure that the controller is connected and ready to go, and you will be able to set up the parameters of this fight however you prefer. Immediately upon connecting the additional controller to your platform and going over to free battle or local battle, you will be able to set this up. So player 1 can go ahead and choose any character from the roster. You will be able to customize them, see the skill, choose it randomly, and then player 2 can do the same. You can choose the stage, and once both of you have selected the fighter, the stage, you will load in immediately, and now you are ready to fight. This will allow you to do local multiplayer. You can change characters, you can change the stage, change the settings, and do it as many times as you wish. You just have to make sure that the controller is properly connected to any platform, and you will be able to do offline or local multiplayer in these 6 stages that you can play together. Just choose between free battle or local battle when you go over to the offline bots or offline battle station, and you will be able to set this up. You can explore other options against CPU, but if you want to play against a real player or someone else, you have to go into local battle. I hope I was able to help you on how to play Xenoverse 2 with friends online. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.